You often hear experts talk about superfoods, foods that are so packed with vitamins and nutrients that you're going to live until you're a million years old and your skin's going to look like a baby's bottom. They're always a bit tasteless and a bit boring, aren't they? Well, today I'm going to disprove that. I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite side dishes, which is packed full of vitamins, iron and calcium, broccoli in oyster sauce. Let's do this. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cloves of garlic, a piece of fresh ginger, probably about this top section here, some broccoli, about a tablespoon of cooking oil, a couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce. Vegan options are available. About half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. I am not sponsored by Lee Kum Kee, by the way, but if you're listening, Lee Kum Kee, I'm here. A small grind of salt and black pepper, and a splash of plain water, probably about 50 to 75 ml. Slice up our garlic. We want the pieces to be a little bit like that. Now to slice the ginger up into thin slices. Notice we're keeping the skin on, such as the Chinese way. And now for the broccoli itself, we're just going to chop them into little florets. Right guys, flame on, max. Get your wok hot before you put the oil in. Hot wok, cold oil helps prevent stickiness. Now that doesn't rhyme, but try to remember it. Oh yes, there we go, getting hot. You see a little bit of smoke coming off the wok, that's perfect. Put the oil in. First thing we're gonna do is we're going to put our ginger and our garlic. Get those going. Let's get add tons of flavour to this recipe. In we go with our broccoli. Hear that sizzle. Give it a toss. Okay. And we're going to fry for about 1 minute. Just a touch more oil. So 1.5 tablespoons of oil, I would say. Okay. And now in with our plain water. And then we're going to put a lid on it and steam for another 2 minutes. And there you go guys, check it out. The smell is amazing. Stir in our salt and pepper. There you go guys, ready to serve. And the final touch, our oyster sauce. Check it out guys. Does that look good or what? It's just so fresh, crisp. Broccoli flavour is so enhanced by that oyster sauce. Bellissimo. That counted as fusion. What an amazing, simple and versatile dish guys. Add prawns, you got prawns and broccoli. Add beef, you got beef and broccoli. Chicken, you got chicken and broccoli. You see what I'm getting at? Or you can use it as an amazing side dish to go with any of these ones here. Thanks for watching. Take care guys. Bye bye.